Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RRC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day today in the bears' favor, not only from the price action point of view, but I mean, you look down here at the volume, well above average volume on the day. So a lot of selling pressure in this one. And the week is young, still 4 days left, so I want to get some levels of support and resistance mapped out here as the week continues to play out. So the first level that really stands out to me is just essentially kind of the summary of the day, which can be visualized via that trend line right there, meaning that after the big downwards movement right here, it still remained bearish. Now, clearly not as intense because the price didn't continue to just drop straight down, but the every single bounce that occurred, those bounces just kept getting lower and lower as far as the highs are concerned, which allowed for this trend line here. So it was really a bearish day all around, but that does also map out an interesting area going forward. And this is one of those levels where, and this is, if only trading were this easy, where I could say, well, if the price comes up here and gets the trend line break, then that's for sure shooting upwards. If only you're that breaking. Now, if the price did get that break, then yeah, you could very well see a decent sized move to the upside. So that's kind of the nice little catch-22 is, sure, that represents the bears just continue to slowly press the price back downwards. But then from more of a technical pattern point of view, that makes visualizing, where a key break point would be as far as, if anything is going to, get started in terms of bullishness, the price has first got to break above that trend line. So again, I really want to clarify, just because the trend line's broken does not mean that everything is fixed and okay. But it's definitely a required step in something where it makes more rational sense to say at that point, hey, you know what, maybe things are getting turned around because the price has been able to push above that level. So if the price can push above that, the next immediate level you would want to turn your attention to is that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as the week continues to play out, that line is going to move itself further and further downwards and get more and more relevant. But that's definitely a level that you're going to want to keep an eye on. But first things first, prices got to break above that trend line. As far as levels of support, nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact that the bleeding finally stopped today at 374. So 374, that very important level of support for no other reason other than that. So overall, a bearish day, but some interesting things going on, and we'll see if the bulls can try to get some sort of bounce back to the upside. Real quick, if you found this video helpful, then I'm very confident in saying you'd find value in this live web class that I'm offering. So if you're interested in learning more or getting signed up, you can go to claytrader.com/live or just click the link in the description area. Like I said, it is live, so there's a question and answer session. It's all very interactive. So go to that link, get signed up, and I'll see you at the class.